Most careers don't stall because of poor performance. They stall because we don't understand people. I'm going to train you on how to navigate office politics ethically, intelligently, and powerfully. Make your leaders shine in public. Show strength privately. Speak in a way that makes them feel safe, not insecure.
Your competition at work is not the person sitting next to you. It's the version of you that stays comfortable, predictable, and unaware. I'm going to teach you 4 powerful strategies to outshine your peers ethically and intelligently. Let me tell you something uncomfortable. Growth doesn't come to the person who does their job well.
Your success is not just about what you know. It's about who knows you and what they remember you for. I'm going to walk you through the power networking framework from the Career Unblocker Kit. Most professionals think networking is extroversion. It's not. I'm an ambivert. I like my space. Many top CEOs are introverts. Networking is not about being loud. It's about being strategic.
If you're waiting for your salary to rise because you work hard, you're waiting for a train that will never stop at your station. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you asked for what you truly deserve? Not hoped, not hinted, but asked? The truth nobody tells you. For years, many of us believed, work hard, be honest, stay silent, people will notice, rewards will follow. Master these principles, and no organization, manager, or market condition can slow down your rise.